Hey everyone! Looking for a delicious way to boost fat burn naturally? Today I'm sharing an amazing Moringa smoothie recipe that not only tastes great, but helps rev up your metabolism. And guess what? If you want all the benefits of Moringa in an easy supplement form, check out Moringa Magic, a powerful dietary supplement made from pure Moringa leaf extract. Link is in the description below. Don't miss it! Before we blend, here's a quick reason why Moringa is your fat-burning best friend. Moringa is loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and nutrients that boost metabolism, balance blood sugar levels, curb hunger cravings, and support detoxification. It's a superfood that's been used for centuries, and now it's your secret weapon for a healthier body. Alright, here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon Moringa powder, or you can open 1 capsule of Moringa Magic, 1 ripe banana, half a cup frozen pineapple, half a cucumber, a handful of spinach, 1 cup coconut water, or just plain water, a few ice cubes, and if you want, a squeeze of lemon for an extra detox kick. You can also just add 1 capsule of Moringa Magic if you don't have loose powder. It blends right in. Now toss everything into your blender. And there you have it, a creamy, refreshing smoothie that not only fuels your body but also helps burn that stubborn fat. It's just perfect for breakfast, post-workout, or even as a healthy snack during the day. Remember, fat loss isn't just about cutting calories, it's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients, and honestly, Moringa is one of the best gifts nature has given us. For those of you who want all the benefits without the prep, try Moringa Magic Supplement today. It's convenient, potent, and perfect for busy lifestyles. The link is in the description below. Grab yours now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you try the smoothie. I'd really love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and energized.